Welcome to 19th video of developing Android application for your Android mobile phone. So in this video and add a reset button to our application. What if, for example, I just make it, for example, do something else, and if I want to restart my application at some point of time, what should I do that? Close this one, and again I'm going to launch my cricket scoreboard. It's again gonna and give it a value to that. But there's one more way that you can do that is click on this one, all of the apps, and just swipe it out. Just swipe it out and restart our application. That is gonna and give it as 0 and 0. But why should I do that? In case I can add a reset button to that inside our application as well. So if I click on restart, it's gonna go 0 by 0 and build that one. Whatever we do, we always start with XML, and inside this two parents there's going to come up is one more parent that is gonna be a relative layout, and let me just copy this code, Control C and Control V, and just remove all of this one, close this one, and it's gonna give me error because I don't have height and weight to that, and had height as match parent, parent, match parent, and Android layout w weight is gonna be match parent, parent, and now I'm going to cut this one and goes to the end of that and add an end tag to our relative layout. At this point of time it still shows some error, so let's open it up and let's see what is the error behind that. So it actually added width for that, and that's the reason it was showing me the error. Match parent, and let me just enter the weight to that. So everything is looking pretty nice. Now we have to add is a reset button to this one. So let me just go ahead and goes out of this all of this one and add button, capital BU button, and if it will be wrap contain, and it is gonna be wrap contain, and here I'm going to give it an ID to my button, ID button reset button, and after that I'm going to, and as you can see it is showing, so we need a text to that. So text will be reset app, no, only reset will be fine with that. So there you can see it is gonna show it on the top of that, so we need to give it as bottom. So for that, to make it a bottom, I'm going to type Android layout align bottom and give it as true, so it goes till the bottom, and we need to keep it as center. Android layout center horizontal, and give it a true. So there you can see it goes on the bottom and goes right over here. And also we will add is on click method to that. On click will be reset, and all the code which we have written is gonna work with that in upcoming videos. But one thing I need to show you, that after writing all this code and press Control A on your keyboard, so it's just goes and fill everything up, then press Control Alt and then keep it as L, so it just keep it neat and clean and everything is decent, so you can read a clear code and a proper way. So everything is done with the Android Studio with this help of having a shortcut keyboard. So I hope you try that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we can add a functionality to that, and we can add Java. But just for adding Java code, why should we need another video where it's just one single button, and create a button right over here. Inside main activity.java, we're gonna add a public void reset. It's gonna be view, it's gonna call view and curly braces to that, and and let me just check the name of my method. So it's reset. On click is also reset. Okay, now I'm going to and give it what we have given, like on top score team A, score team B, and your score team A will be 0, and then close this one. Score team B is equal to 0, and close this one, and display team A, which is going to be 0. Same with display team B, it's gonna and display 0 as well, and run our application, and let's see if that works. So we will have a reset button, and if we click on any of the numbers from team A and team B and we have to restart it, we just have to click on that restart button, and it's gonna and apply it on our application, and it's gonna and give it as 0 0. So there is a reset button. Let me just go ahead and give it any score, 666642 or whatever. So and click on restart button. This is the time you will know that this video was helpful or it was just a waste. So click on restart button. So this was working, and give it a 0 and 0. So I hope you try that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. In the next video we are going to complete this application. This application is complete right over here, but this doesn't looks pretty nice, so we'll go and add some looks to this application and make it much more professional and decent to use it as well. So see you guys in the next video.